What is going on, y'all? It is Eric TechStuff. Now, this is not Steve's Galaxy Pluto. No, this is a Cobra 148F GTL that's on the bench to do something with. But I wanted to release the final of Steve's video. Of course, living in this digital age, video files do get corrupted, so I will release what I have of that now. Not that much, unfortunate. But yeah, the rest of the videos, weren't savable. They are corrupted. Great. So, I'm going ahead and release that footage now on Steve's Galaxy Pluto, the final, and the recap, and we'll talk about this one down the road. What's going on? We're back again with Mr. Steve's Galaxy Pluto here. I always try and get that in there. That knob sometimes does not show the Pluto logo. But yeah, all the caps have been replaced for Mr. Steve, and he wants to keep that amp in there from the last video, that surprise video. It's actually a SD micro pill, so it is the SD 1446 original when it was built, as far as I can tell, unless someone wanted to put some money into it. Yeah, even the SD 1446 prices have gone through the roof. Man, everything is expensive for any of the transistors. Everything's going MOSFET now, so we'll be back after we get it all put back together. Just a moment, please. All right, does seem like we got our Mr. Steve's Galaxy Pluto all put back together. Just listening on the Super Bowl. The conditions aren't the best right now, but yeah, we're good with that, so we'll do a transmit test and get this radio back to him. Hey, Mr. Steve, we're back with your nice Galaxy Pluto here. And now I did change out the screws, so everything's all black. So it's a full black radio right here. Of course, I did not change out those. But this does have your amp switch labeled, amp on, which will be up. Give your ST 1446 1 pill. But yeah, like I said before, he bought it this way, so he wanted to keep it in there. He felt it was kind of cool, so not a problem. Went ahead and removed that switch so it's not just hanging out right there. And there it is, a corruption. So yeah, I got that back to him and did the transmit test and everything on the meters before I was able to upload and verify the video. I'll never do that again, but all right, I apologize about that, Mr. Steve, but you do have it back, and we talked about it and everything when I dropped it off to you. So your Galaxy Pluto should be in very good shape, sir. And I'll get back to doing this. I hope you all have a great rest of your weekend. We're in for rainy day weather rest of this weekend, so we go ahead and take that opportunity to go ahead and get through some other radios and clean up so much other junk. All right, 73s, y'all. We'll see you in another video very soon.